When you ask people, or rather when people come and talk as to why they are not rich or how they could have been richer, I found a whole range of answers. The first one is my employer pays me too less. Second, my parents did not leave me enough. Third, my bank sold me too many useless products. My this country taxation is very high, right? Do you look at a pattern of all this? My employer pays me less is nice to say, but what it means is A, that's what you deserve. Second, you could not negotiate a better pay. And most importantly, you're shifting the blame from yourself to your employer. If your employer is paying you less and you think you deserve more, I think you should just quit and try finding something on your own, right? My parents didn't leave me enough is another thing very common, saying, oh, I had to start from the beginning, I had to even support them, so 10 years were lost in that. Correct, but they gave you education, right? So don't crib about what you didn't get. Of course you didn't get. There are many people who didn't get. Some people who got, but many people who didn't get. So look at them, right? Don't look at this and saying, I didn't get. I'm paying too much taxes. Boss, no choice. In India, if you want money, you have to pay tax. In Sweden, if you want money, you have to pay tax. In USA, if you want money, you have to pay tax. So wherever you go, whichever part of the civilized world you go to, you will find income tax, and you will find income tax at 30% for sure. So if you think you're at 43% in India, then yes, I agree that you're on a higher slab, but 30% is the norm, very much so all over the world. In fact, it could be more. We could actually be paying more because of GST, etc. Like if you're an individual and you're paying electricity bill, you're paying GST, right? And it is not deductible because you're a salaried individual and you get no GST credit. So when people look at themselves and say we are poor because of these following things, that just turn it on its head and say, I made a wrong choice of my employer. I could have got a better employer. From today, I'm going to start applying for jobs. If I get a better job, and as and when I get a better job, I will quit this location. You say, I will not leave the location, I will not study further, I will not train further, but my employer should pay me more. You're living in fool's paradise, right? It is not possible for that to happen. The fact that your employer is paying you only that much is because he has realized that you won't leave or you can't leave for whatever reasons, right? So that's not a good attitude to take. Parents didn't leave me enough, bad luck, can't do anything about it now. Can you do a side job? Can you do those things? Can you push your boss to pay you more? Can you change your job and get a higher salary? That is within your control. The taxation of the country is not in your control. So the most important thing here is, if you see what is the difference between what I said first and what I said later on, you change it on its head. You don't say my employer is paying me less. You say I chose a wrong employer who is paying me less and I'm allowing him to pay me less. Now that I have realized that I'm being paid less, I will go and look for another job, and I will ensure that I leave more money for my children. I will ensure that I put more money in equity. Don't blame the world. Don't say my parents didn't teach me equities. Many parents didn't teach their children equities, right? Take all that into account. Start speaking in a language which is owning up. I didn't choose a good employer, rather than the employer does not pay me well. Therefore, you're shifting the burden to the employer, and you'll say, जो भी करना है employer को करना है, employer को नहीं करना है, आप ही को करना है, right? So change your language. Start taking responsibility for what you are doing. Then look at whether you get wealthy. Thank you.